Welcome man, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Guys, y'all see this? This is a Challenger. I want to say 2013 model. Okay, what I'm about to do, y'all see this, right? Okay, now the customer I guess she tired of hanging on to this, tracking this down just to put in here and start the car. Okay, now I guess some customers that's too much work for some customers, so they want an easier way. All right, so here's what I have, guys. This is a push start, push button. Okay, now let me explain something to you guys. Let me show y'all what this is. This is actually the push button, PEM. All right, so what I'm about to do is convert this car from a key start setup to a push start setup. Now, guys, just so you know, this is not as simple as doing this. Put your feet on the brake. Yes. See, you're not going to start. Okay. This has to be programmed. All right. It has to be programmed to the car. Now, not only that, guys, every car is not equipped to handle such a device. Okay, so you will have to take your VIN. Now, if you just say you want to do this, just say you want to convert from a key to a push start. All right, what you need to do first is take your VIN, and you may have to visit or call a Chrysler dealership and see if your car even capable of taking such device, capable of converting such a device. All right, I've already done my homework. This car can accept this setup. All right, but I will then have to, once I set it up and program, it will have to be programmed. Okay, I'm converting the regular start system to a PEM, so that means the PEM will now be on the topology of the Diagnostic. Okay, but I literally have to go in the system and tell Chrysler this car is now PEM. All right, so I'm hoping I'm explaining that right. If not, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, but for now, let me show you on the topology how this look without this versus this. All right, so we're gonna experiment a little bit, guys. All right, right now I'm gonna take a quick break. When I get back, I'm gonna be at the computer because look, I'm stepping on the brake, I'm pushing this, nothing happens. Now you can easily, if you have some fingernails, pull this back out. If you ever have problems with your push start, use your key. Yes, you will be able, you're not going to disable starting in any way. All right, so but for now, let me go to a computer and oh, by the way, guys, I don't know, this is not technically a DIY job, only because you will need a special scan tool and you will need the security pin, the password. All right, every car Chrysler product is equipped with a security passcode. The only way I know of at retrieving that code is through a Dodge dealership, Chrysler Dodge dealership parts department. You simply give them the VIN, show proof of ownership. They will and then give you such a code. Okay, they put it on a piece of paper. They would print it out for you or verbally tell it to you. That's where you would then be able to go in and program keys or anything like that. All right. So let's go to a computer, guys. Stay tuned. Hold tight. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm here at the computer, guys. Now, this is when we're talking about the PEM, push start. Okay, PEM, guys. PEM actually stands for passive entry module. Okay. Now, I have the topology pulled up, which means this system is already set in the system. Now the customer just bought the car, so she don't have a clue what's going on, but as you can see right here, that's already PEM set up on this car. So at this point, what all I need to do is, let's click here, so let me show you. Flash, no flash, DTC. Well, all I need to do, miscellaneous function, this option here, PEM replace. Okay, that's where you put the new PEM in. In fact, let's go over this procedure. This function should be run when a new PEM ECU is installed or new fob keys are programmed or replaced. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, Here's what it would do. It will program the vehicle pin, transfer the secret key data, and transfer the key fobic ID to the PM. Ignition must be in the run position. Alright, so that's what I'm getting ready to do, guys. In fact, I'm gonna have to go to the car, and then I'm gonna have to use my phone to do this. Alright, so I will not be able to run back and forth. Best I can do for you guys is to get you some screenshots and explain exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so hold tight, guys. Let's get it. This little critter right here, guys, can potentially cost you maybe $400, I want to say. Imagine this is van that came in yesterday, wouldn't start, all right, wouldn't crank, because this was trapped up under the positive terminal.
Are you freaking, hold on, oh hell no. Y'all see what I see?
Now, I've already since fixed the connection, right? And I'm verified that the engine is charging. So I'm merely going to make the connection proper and return the vehicle to the customer. But this thing can cost you potentially $400. Let's do some math, all right? What's a tow truck these days? Almost $200, guys, some places. Let's round it off to $200. Some shop diagnostic charges 1 hour, which equates to $200. So we have $400 right now. This little mishap can potentially cost you $400 freaking dollars. All right, now the hour that we charge to diagnose cars, I simply applied that to the repair. Okay, there's no extra to fix the connection. It goes towards the repair. All right, so that's how that works. But yeah, y'all be careful with this. This can cost you potentially $400. All right, guys, see, I'm in Walmart. I'm in the I'm in here getting me a monitor for my computer, and I see this. I see this is a Dodge Charger. Man, they still in our work. And I think I seen this car at the shop. Anyway, he in here getting a fuel injection cleaner, man. Why is a Dodge doing it in Walmart? And look, there go Nissan. Hey, Fluffy Mexicanic. Walmart's still in our work, man. We got this Nissan Rogue in here. I wonder what they doing to this. It's supposed to be saying Walmart, like, all you see is oil change, oil change, oil change. But that's not an oil change, guys. That thing getting some type. I saw a fuel injection cleaner apparatus in there, and I wonder what they doing to this Nissan. I hope it's not running bad. I hope it's here just for an oil change, because Walmart really not a diagnostic facility. So you gotta be careful, guys. I don't have nothing bad to say about Walmart. In fact, they got some real good oil change prices. Y'all see right there. But when I start seeing Dodge Mopar product in here getting with a fuel injection cleaner thing in it, I get worried. And this Nissan Rogue, Fluffy, you might want to look into this, dog.